The baby Jack
Oh,
laying on Grandma's bed.
About, a coworker, Reggie's a really nice. What? Oh.
He's looking up at the light. Absolutely transfixed. Yep, just the light.
Probably not good for his eyes.
What? What happened? Did you turn off the light?
To go blind.
Hi. Hi. Are you so cute? Yeah? You sleepy? You ready for bed? Okay. Good night. Whoa, you're getting so big.